Round two. Good old round two. Safe. From the back. This box, and this has got to be the worst shipping I have ever seen. Okay. Power cable. For student loans, Florida Federal Savings Bank. Okay then. Neat. Looks like only anybody took any effort. So here's a Duracell battery. Ooh, fancy. Might be good. I don't know. Here's the original JVC battery. And here is a Emerson battery. And a free tape with every purchase. Free VHC tape with every purchase. Gonna have to clean that and get rid of this damn. Now, you ready for the unveiling? 1, 2, 3. Did it come with a pack of VHSC? Oh well. I ain't pissed or anything. I think I got one with a killer viewfinder. Sweet. Oh. I'll even remember to do that. Alrighty. Disinfect, disinfect. That is our world's motto these days. Disinfect. Disinfect every surface. I mean, don't. 320. Digital hyper zoom, quick response, autofocus. This is obviously, ooh, gold. Look at that. This looks good. Back in the day when camcorders were built right. That's such a shame. Got VHS ET. Let me wash my hands and do the presentation of this beauty. Got me a nice color display camera with 3 free batteries. We'll have to charge those and see what they do. I don't have the cable for this. So, I do have... where are you? Oh, right there. Oop. Looks like this will only be a battery unit. One has 1 minute and the other has 70. Let's do you. Oh. That's great. Huh. This might be oh wait. No? I'm stupid or something? This does not fit. I guess that don't seem very well, but you know, fuck it. Ooh, got a power light. Oh my god, that is indeed a killer display. Look at that. Me squirt about today. Okay, let's try and eject. That's the problem. Won't eject. Where's my eject button? Eject. Found it. I don't know what the seller's talking about. No ejecting. Ooh. That ain't good. Whatever it is, they had tape in here. Got me another free tape. Sweet. Oh, let's have a look. See. That was pretty stiff in there. It's probably a fucked up mechanism. Probably. Let's put that tape back in. Okay then. It's this must be the seller testing the camera. Oh. Damn. Well, at least we know we can work with battery power. Let's mess with the charger and see what we can do. Seems to eject. Got even a killer viewfinder. That's definitely an LCD. This must have costed quite a bit of money back in the day. Alrighty, I have my... Oh, somebody put a 2 on the battery. Emerson. Let's try this one. This is heavy. This might actually be... hold on. Let's see. Rechargeable battery, 0% cadmium, nickel metal hydride. Okay. Whoa, that's not weird at all. Must be something. Come on. Thank you. Shit. It's kind of a bad design for a battery, I will say. VHSC. So. Yeah. If this even. Did it turn on? No? Okay. No life on that one. VHSC. VHS ET. Okay. That one doesn't do anything. So probably the seller used external power. Yes. I don't know why he didn't give me the cord. You know, props on him. It's okay. I don't care. Okay. Oh. Hey! Don't seem to... It was battery, so this one might still have some juice left in it. That's a good sign, and this is an Emerson. Not sure... So maybe the Emerson battery, maybe these batteries are still good. Let's try and charge some. That's weird. Something tells me this one. Although, let's do some voltage checks on this beauty. Okay. So let's see how much life we have on this battery. Dead. Okay then. These are cadmium, aren't they? No, nickel metal hydride. 5.1. That's pretty good. This one's 5.9. We'll charge this one. This one might have a good chance of survival. Emerson. Good. Up. Up. But apparently they think that a tape is supposed to automatically eject. But if ejected, fine. Don't know what the hell they're meaning by that. But hey, got me a nice VHSC Pro 5-head system digital signal processing camcorder from 1998. Let me just check something here. Look at that. Just like the old one. The one I had in my childhood. Now, since we love charging batteries, let's charge this. This is also acting as a charger. So, let's see. I will charge this one. There we are. Seems to be in good condition. There we are, charging. So if I'm lucky, these batteries should charge, and maybe this one will have some charge. Don't know why I put that out. VHSC. Probably gonna open that. Said it come back with a pack, but it didn't come with a pack. That's okay. Love my new toy. Look at that, that's even shiny. Forget what I paid. I think I paid 22 bucks for this. Well worth it, because it has a freaking built-in lens cover. Ain't that fucking cool? And the lens is like clean. The inside of this is clean too. Like this all around is just a gorgeous camcorder. I like it. Better than this. This thing was very cheap and gimmicky. That's okay though. At least I can use it for something. Now we'll, this battery's already getting hot. That's not good. We'll let these two batteries charge and we'll see you. There we are. Let's hit play. Finish watching my movie. How ironic that we have the same type of layout of house in the same table. What the fuck? That's obviously an elderly person. Jesus. I guess I'm legally allowed to post this on YouTube. I might just post this.
And it's recording.
A day at the grandma's house. That is truly 90s. Holy fuck.
See Wilhelm sitting over there. And we're recording.
Ooh.
We got Wilhelm sitting there. I see Wilhelm sitting over there. And we're recording.
Guess that's all that's on the tape. Ended abruptly. The battery's doing pretty good. This is the Emerson battery, I believe. I'm charging the Duracell now. This doesn't really sound like a cheap machine either. See if it'll play my first Christmas tape of 2020. I'm at 2002. And the battery's being drained. This probably only gives like 1 minute of battery. So play. Oh yes. Oh jeez. This reminds me of my grandma's house.
Okay, now it's recording. Okay. Okay, now stop.
How do we do that?
Well, let's see, let's stop it down here.
Oh, we gotta stop it here.
Oh, we got just your head. Now he's in his way back.
That's your whole living room, so you can...
It's pretty messy to take this.
Oh, it's all right.
Fancy. That's some weird speaker issue, but that's okay. I'll be the judge of that one. Just elderly folks buying a camera. Let's see. Let's I guess the battery's dead. That only gave me like 1 minute. That's usable. I could get. I like having whatever battery life I can get. This battery ain't getting hot. Probably as I use them, they'll get better. Normally, but that's a good battery. This is our battery that we're going to take it for a test. It's a good battery. It's off this JVC camcorder when I first got it. That's a nice tape. Just elders having a lovely videotape. I'm not going to open this. This is a Joule. This is number 2 battery. So my guess, this person got this from their grandparents' house. If I can make out the story, they got this from their grandparents' house from some tragedy, and they were like, I have no use for a camera like this. Even though our grandparents keep this stuff for a reason. They want us to have it and have something new to use in this day and age. We don't use this stuff anymore. This stuff is obsolete practically. I mean, hell, back in the day, you got a fucking flashlight built in with your camera. You got a freaking lens cover. Got like an hour battery life. You got like all these features and shit, but it doesn't last very long. I did read that you have to treat these things like they're fucking, like they're feather. Don't have very big movements on them. They fuck up the mechanism. These mechanisms weren't built right to begin with. Battery is charging. This one is still charging. This will probably take an hour. It's a good battery. And I think since this Emerson tests good, slightly warm. How much volts do we got on it? Let's see. .2 volts, that's new. So, it's improved. The more you charge them, the more they get better. It's not like one time use, that's its true charge. When I first got this battery didn't have much life. When I kept using it, it started working correctly. Very nice camcorder though. I like it. So glad I got it. This is from 1990s, and this is probably back when JVC wasn't trying to pull people's sleeves with trying to advertise this stuff as top of the line. Digital signal processing practically digitizes itself. That's why I like these. Also, I got me a mono to stereo cable so I could plug it. right there and gets me my stereo without editing it in. I have to find my S-video cable. I have one somewhere. Also, this is the SVHSC GR SXM915. And your specs on the bottom: 6-volt output input. Victor Company of Japan. Very nice. Gonna probably take this out today and test it. If it still works. Probably should. I haven't tested it for the camera. Sucks not having the power adapter for it, but it's okay. It is okay. This battery gives quite a good amount of life. We should have a good test video for you. I just have to make sure I have VHS-ET on. Well, let's go over the features. We have Program AE, Effect, VHS-ET, Rewind, Fast Forward, Stop, Play, Push for, I guess, volume? I don't know what that's for. Brightness, so that's the brightness. Menu display, and SP and EP. You can change it via this button. That's why I chose this one, because practically the whole menu that I really need is right on this side. And, if I'm correct, and you put it on your shoulder. If I'm correct, and you put it on like this, well, I can't easily get to that. Ooh, secrets. Kind of secret. You just push the button and there. But look, I found a secret. J lip? Weird. Don't know what that is. Probably a FireWire port, if anything. This battery's still charging. Might have a good Duracell. It's pretty nice. Alright, I'll come back to you when batteries are charged and we can do our test. Done charging! Let's go to camera, I think. Let's cover. Look at that. Silver light is on. Yep, light's on. SVHS-ET T40. What tape is this? Probably TC30. EP 1.5 hour. SP 1.5 hour. So gets about an hour of footage. Auto date. I doubt it's gonna know that. Oh, look at that. That's a neat feature. Look at that. SVHS-ET. Got a fucking LED light. Sweet. Oh, yeah. I guess that digital zoom could be on. Telemacro, date and time. Oh. Year 1999 of January 1st. Oof. No, that's not right. I wonder. This has definitely not been used very much. That switch. Let's see. Let's see. Date, time, year, 9 to, jeez, go all the way to 1987. 2019, 2020, January, November, October, September, August, June, May, day. The day is I don't know what day it is. The 18th. And the time, probably 12 now. Yeah, 12. 12 p.m. now. Oh, 6. 12:10. Set our date and time. If I can lower the brightness down so we have maximum brightness. I guess we could presume our test. Let's just keep doing record time and that shit on. What? Oh, that's a timer. Ooh, got a nice one today. Look at that. Chip ID number 06. Demo mode, title language, tally lamp, interval time. Title language. You can change the language to English. Or probably Spanish. French, Spanish, or Portuguese. You could change it to all that. What a nice camcorder. It's pretty nice. I want a English. I'm nothing but English. Date, time, tape length, S tape. Yep, auto. Perfect! Well, let's get her on our test bench and let's get a video out. Alright. Wow. Get her oh, that's snapshot. Not what I wanted. Steady shot. Look! Ah. Oh, let's get our power on. Gotta get our power on. No wasp today. Yeah. So this is a test of a JVC GR SXM915. We're testing this camcorder for performance. Got weeds all over the place. That wasn't there before. Huh. Added a locking mechanism on the door. Light should come on. It's really just like the other JVC camcorder I had. Oh, there's the light. Back then when they did camcorders right, I suppose. Here's a radio I painted. Turned out very nice. That turned out very nice. Look at that paint job. I did pretty good on that. I put a table literally right here, and one of these Art Deco chairs. Put a table here. Is that clock still running? Yep. Oh, battery's dying. Probably should have refreshed it before I started. Here's a generator. Let's go back here in this area. Perhaps this ain't the right one. Oh, turn on the power. Uh-oh. Power's not working. Shit. Oh well. That's to be expected, I guess. Don't know why it's not working, but, you know. Let me show you something also. So, you could either have it to where the door locks in, or you can have I did both by moving the door out. Alrighty, we are recording with the original JVC battery that came with the camcorder. We have full battery as of now, so let's give it a test. Ooh. It's a spring, it's a spring, it's a spring. So anyway, back to what we were saying. Got a deadbolt. A lovely deadbolt. I don't think this bulb is very bright. I don't know. There we are, recording. It's a pussy. Sorry about that weird interruption. The battery had died. Just gonna test out some more of this gorgeous machine. I was watching a video of some restoration I'm gonna do. I bought some really old 1950 and 60s items. These will be upcoming videos once they arrive. Give you a hint, I have a piece of, probably a historical piece of machinery. It's an electronic device that I have used before. And I just won an auction too. My first auction. I bidded on something for 22 bucks. Can't believe it. Nobody bought it. So we're back in the old shed. Turning off the flashlight because don't really need it. The battery's already on 2 bars. I don't think these batteries are survivable. But let's show you this amazing generator. Well, it wants to start. Probably, well, this did start years ago when my dad found it. It just sits here. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I really don't. I mean, that's an upcoming project also. Another Briggs & Stratton machine. JVC camcorder. Auto date isn't working. Have to figure out the auto date shit. Trash picked that piece of paint, that piece of art. But I was looking at videos of how to replace a selenium rectifier. I'm quite scared to replace one, but it will have to be done if I want to use this piece of machinery for daily life. But, although I'm kind of scared that this camera's probably not recording anything, because at the end of the tape, it wasn't recording anything, but there was still stuff on the tape. I don't know. Oops. That'll be interesting, I suppose. What else was I talking about? Oh. I also cleaned the, this area out. That's all nice and clean. Let's turn on our light. Here we go. There we are. Auto date. Well, we're on the JVC battery now. The other battery died. I don't know how many minutes that was. Wasn't even counting. But let's see if we can get away with turning that off. Yeah, we can. Generator. Briggs & Stratton. Probably from the 80s. Yep. Got some upcoming projects. But, something I loved about JVC cameras is they're very good with low light. I mean, look at this. Let's get out of here. Still have to find the key to where I can lock this. I have to clean up all this, I still need to clean up all this, well, practically just need to clean up all this shrubbery so I don't get ticks. Here's the trash can. Look at this beauty. Oh yeah. Trashed. There's what's left of the old computer. Quite amazing. This is. I need to fix that. Oh, did that move like that? I guess I moved. I guess the wind did that. It wasn't like that before. It was like that. Okay. Weird. Let's take a look at some flowers, shall we? Ooh. Some interesting shrubbery. Oh, these flowers are starting to grow. I would say they're starting to grow. This thing has very good focus. They're starting to grow. Probably lavender flowers. Also, I'm allergic to lavender, I think. I don't believe those are lavender flowers. I'm walking probably in tick heaven right now. Oh, that's overgrowth. That wasn't there before. Ooh. That's pretty. Pretty flowers just growing. Look at that. This is the log splitting area. My dad took out his log splitter. It's right there. Guess I could go back here. Those flowers smell good. This will also be a good wind test. 22 minutes. Maybe I should go in EP mode and test the quality of that. Oh, there goes my bench. Oh, that must have been like that for a while. There's grass growing through it. Some various things. An antique cast rust iron. Yep. Antique cast iron, people. Oh shit. Uh-oh. Our trash cans. Oh shit. There's our trash can right. That's our trash can. There's another trash can. Fuck. Oh shit. Oh, there's the other trash can. Damn, it's a windy day. I don't know what the hell's with this fucking weather. The weather's literally going insane. Oh shit, where'd the other one go then? Oh, there's our other trash can. There's another trash can and the other trash can. Oh my god. This wind. This wind. I don't think I'm going to be able to get those. They look fine there anyway. Got the two. I think we had more than that, but it's okay. Got two trash cans here. Damn trash cans falling over. There's one. Jeez. Let's try our color. Oh my, this color viewfinder. I like this. This is a nice color viewfinder. It's a bit pixely. I'll just go back to the manual mode. Yeah. That's one trash can and there's our other. All the way over there. So weird. Ugh. I guess I could check the mail. Oh, you can go back in there. That's also the people I get my got my furniture from. They threw out all that shit. Probably have to edit that out of this video when I post this on YouTube. Jeez. Huh. Oh, got one battery life. Oh shit. Put this through. Windy day. Windy ass day. Very windy. My dad's new grill. Here's what's back here. These are original, probably the original plugs from the 60s. Look at this. The bird feeder. That thing's coming undone. Oh, it's shut. Telephone box, cables, don't know why I'm back here. This was for, something I'm noticing is this camera is very awkward when it comes to filming. But this is our old lights. These still work. We don't use these anymore. There's our flagpole. You can tell that thing's worn and weathered. Probably can come undone any day now. Oh, look at that. Some pretty flowers. It's just dirty. Maybe if I'm lucky, they will throw out some stuff for me. These are starting to bloom. Oh yeah, well, they're starting to die also. These trees have been here since I was a kid. We've never gotten rid of these. These were like very pretty beside the duck. This one's thriving. See that one? That one's thriving. Cobweb infused. I wonder if I can find my cat. This battery's doing pretty good. I guess a good little refresh helped it. Let's make a wish. Oh, it's not letting me change the speed. For some odd reason, the camera won't let me change the speed to EP mode. Yeah, I'm pressing the buttons, not doing anything. I'm probably gonna have to look at the manual to figure out. Oh, this thing has a that's record tally light. Didn't notice that till now. Crusty. Doing some weird glitchy shit right there. Well, my mono to stereo converter cable worked perfectly, and the camera actually recorded, which is good. Means and it doesn't. I'm not even going to say anything about that. You know what happened to my last camera. It won't let me change it to EP speed, which is weird. Ah, well, I figured out the effects. SEPA, Sports, ND effect, Fog. Oh. Twilight. Negative. Oh wow. Hey Oscar! I can see you! You're white! That is so weird. Whoa. Oh my god. Turns everything into a negative. Cool. So weird. What a neat feature though. What else? Fader, mosaic, shutter, slide. Those are just simple. Look at this. Can make everything look like an old movie. Neat. Professor Pussy. Professor Pussy. Professor Pussy. Let's see. Oh, this is so weird. Turns everything into a negative. Hey Mom, wanna see something cool this thing can do? Look. It can make everything into a negative.
Oh wow.
Look at all these
Pictures.
Mosaic. Oh, wow, wow. Ooh, hello. Oh, stop that. That's weird. But okay. Pussy. There, I said it back in the day. Oh, jeez. Damn. Huh? I guess. Did you pick up those trash cans?
Yep.
Oh, good. I was about to say, well, somebody went off of them. One.